Saudi Arabia for visiting the Chamber of Commerce, and also I'm really thankful all the business community elected members of the team. So today we will start our meeting with the recital of Quran. So I will request Mr. Faisal Sattar, please. Jazakallah khair. His Excellency Mr. Naif Al-Rahbi, Commercial Attaché of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. His Excellency Mr. Nabil Ishaq Rana, Commercial Specialist. Honorable former President, Executive Body, Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce, and also the Business Community, Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce. Assalamu alaikum. With great pleasure, we extend a warm welcome to His Excellency Mr. Naif Al-Rahbi, Commercial Attaché, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, who sincerely appreciate your commitment to visiting the Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Today, allowing us the opportunity to exchange valuable insight regarding the promotion of bilateral trade and investment between Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Saudi Arabia, as well as exploring potential trade opportunities for both regions. To begin our meeting, I would like to present a detailed documentary highlighting the economic profile of Gujranwala.
Gujranwala, the land of peculiar identity and warmth, the city that is achieving Pakistan's progress and prosperity goals at a fast pace. The city that is exporting more than 150 products of worth $2.5 billion approximately to over 80 countries after attaining and maintaining world standards in just a few years. Its goods have considerably shrunk the Pakistani import bill, saving the country an annual $3 billion in form of import substitution. The growth trajectory of the city towards the industrial progress can be gauged from the fact that it has paid over 40 billion rupees tax at the Regional Tax Office Gujranwala level only this year. It has over 8,000 small and medium and 13,000 cottage industry units, contributing day and night to the national prosperity and progress. The Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, GCCI, is fully motivated to bring about economic stability in Gujranwala in particular and in Pakistan in general. It has been organizing Made in Gujranwala exhibitions to present different local products of unmatched standard and sophistication to the world for the last 2 decades. It wants to ensure an incessant increase in foreign exchange through the promotion of indigenous products at the local and international levels by conducting the exhibitions. The GCCI has raised the slogan, My Gujranwala, to help Gujranwala make a mark in the business and industrial community. The slogan has earned the status of the City of Engineering for Gujranwala. GCCI's determined march towards its goals guarantees a bright future. Gujranwala is considered as the second largest city in Pakistan with regard to SMEs due to the GCCI's continuous efforts. According to the Punjab Economic Report, Gujranwala is the 4th largest city in Punjab with regard to the spread of large-scale industry. Being a model of Prime Minister's ease of doing business vision, it has the honor of bagging 6th position according to the World Bank Report's ranking. The GCCI is offering ample job opportunities in order to eradicate poverty in Pakistan. Confirming this, a recent Punjab Directorate of Industries report has declared Gujranwala as the country's 7th largest employment provision city. Under GCCI's patronage, different member industries are producing durable quality products for exports and domestic utilization like ceramic sanitary ware, ceramic tiles, refractory bricks, pipes and fittings, sanitary fittings, bathroom accessories, light and heavy engineering, spare parts of hydro and thermal power plant, pumps and motors, machine tools and capital goods, automobile parts, agriculture implements, home appliances, tableware, cutlery, cookware, melamine and stainless steel utensils, hunting knives and swords, textiles, carpets, prayer mats and rugs, rice, seed and agro-processing, food, confectionery, plastic furniture, wood furniture, steel furniture, metal processing, hardware, steel security equipment, paper and paperboard, chemical and detergents, beauty products and cosmetics, nylon rope, steel furnace, construction goods, etc. As many as 34 Asian, 23 European, 13 African, 3 North American, 5 South American, and 2 Australian countries are the destination of the products of Gujranwala's small and medium industries, showcasing GCCI's hard work and determination. The GCCI facilitates its honorable members in a variety of ways. It readily provides ease of business assistance to the business community so as to best utilize its precious time for the national progress and development. The GCCI hosts at its premises help desks for various departments for its members. These include Police Khidmat Markaz, Driving License Counter, Business Registration Portal, SMEDA, SECP, WeBalk, E-Business Invitation E-Bill Portal Desk, GEPCO. In view of Gujranwala's industrial importance, the GCCI had got approved 3 mega projects for it from the federal government. They are Gujranwala Business Center, Gujranwala Tools, Die and Mold Center, and Ceramic Center. This center is also benefiting other cities. Modern technical education is also being offered to hone the skills of local workers. Similarly, by rolling out quality designs, the Ceramics Center is playing a major role in promoting the local ceramics industry. Significantly, the GCCI ensured the establishment of the small industrial estates and the export processing zone. Currently, these estates with their vast industrial assets are contributing a great deal in the national economy by producing top quality items. Industrial estate number 42 has been established for promoting industry and to meet the pressing need of the industrial expansion. It is also vital to present the GCCI's welfare aspect, under which the Gujranwala business community has taken revolutionary steps in the health sector on self-help basis, providing healthcare to nearly 40% of the city's population. Siddiq Sadiq Trust Hospital for Cardiology, Haji Murad Eye Trust Hospital, Ibrahim Eye Trust Hospital, Jinnah Trust Hospital, Rafiq Anwar Memorial Trust Hospital, Allama Iqbal Trust Hospital, and Al Rai Trust Hospital are serving the humanity 24 hours a day along with other hospitals. Upgradation of the district hospital and provision of latest ambulances to it, free hepatitis injections for the poor and regular upgradation of the social security hospital are also its achievements. The GCCI has always fully cooperated with the district administration. Its contributions include provision of Japanese fire tenders to the Rescue 1122 and motorcycles for police. In addition, its members generously donate for the rehabilitation of the affectees of any calamity that hits the country. The GCCI, with cooperation of its valued members, is awarding scholarships in the field of education to financially deserving brilliant students through established Health Education Trust and provision of cooperation in monetary terms for the welfare of prisoners through Prisoners Welfare Trust, established with the collaboration of Administration of District Central Jail, are also some of the highlighted activities and initiatives include incorporate social responsibility of GCCI and many other social welfare projects were undertaken needed from time to time. Students of Gujranwala had to travel to other cities for engineering, medical and university education. To facilitate them, the GCCI managed to establish Rachna Engineering College, Gujranwala Medical College and Punjab University's local campus in Gujranwala from the government. The GCCI earnestly desires self-help-based mega projects at the local and national level in view of Gujranwala's industrial potential and provision of missing facilities to the city, its people and industry so as to enhance our industrial production and exports. The dream projects include Special Economic Zone, New Industrial Estate, Dry Port, Motorway Link, Cargo Train for Golden Triangle Region, latest international material testing and certification lab, Expo Center, Children Hospital, University of Gujranwala, and all such initiatives lead to strengthen industry-academia linkage to commercialize the research. The GCCI is striving hard to meet its targets, and it believes that the future of the coming generations could be brightened only by strengthening Pakistan's economy through vibrant business. It stands by the Pakistan government in expanding business activity in the country.
Thank you very much. Following that, I would like to share some key indicators, trade volume between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan according to State Bank. So our total trade volume between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia is near about $4.45 billion. In this fiscal year 2024-25, the worth of our export to Saudi Arabia is 704 billion. During the same period, imports from the Saudi Arabia were valued at US dollar 3.75 billion. Major items, products export from Gujranwala to Saudi Arabia, it's a lot of items, I would like to introduce some items, blender machines, polyester cotton textile, rice, salt, knives, fiberglass, mirror, ice cream, rubber, and etc. A lot of items we are exporting from here to Saudi Arabia. Pakistan imports from Saudi Arabia mineral fuels, mineral oil, and products, plastic, organic, chemicals, fertilizer, loot, article rubber, and raw hides, skins, electrical machinery and equipments, parts, articles, iron, steel, soap, animal, paper and paperboard, organic chemicals, glass and glassware, wool, and lot of medical pharmaceuticals items as well. So as we look to future, it is crucial to enhance trade activities between Saudi Arabia, promoting frequent exchange of the delegations, B2B meetings, seminars, it would like, because the Gujranwala is the hub of SMEs and the cottage industry. So the major role in the economy of Pakistan, the Gujranwala industrialist. Once again, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for your visit to our chamber. I am confident that our discussion today will play pivotal role to strengthen the economy relationship between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, fostering greater trade and investment opportunities for the business community in Gujranwala and beyond. Your presence here is a testament to our shared commitment to enhancing the bilateral trade and investment. So now I would like to invite His Excellency Mr. Naif Al-Rahbi to share these thoughts with our members. Thank you very much. Please, sir.
Well, first of all, thank you so much. It's my honor to be here in Gujranwala. It's my first time. Inshallah, it will not be the last time. Inshallah. To be honest, I didn't prepare for a speech, but I was from my heart to my brothers. To be honest, I'm very lucky to be surrounded by businessmen, smart brothers, Muslim country. They are doing great things. When a question comes to my mind, what really does Gujranwala need? MashaAllah. You're doing everything, MashaAllah. The only things that I think you need to promote your products to the world. I think most of people, they underestimate the Pakistani products. They don't know exactly what Pakistan is doing. They never thought the Pakistani are doing great things. I visited Seattle with the ambassador. We saw, to be honest, great factories. They are doing great things in sports. Today, mashallah, we see in Gujranwala, mashallah, they're doing everything, to be honest. They don't need anything. They don't need investors to come and invest with them. They need only to promote the Pakistani products to the world. There is no any exhibition in Saudi Arabia for only made in Punjab. There is, mashallah, a lot of things that have to be promoted in Saudi Arabia. I think, from my side, there is a huge opportunities for Pakistani economy and for Saudi as well. There is a huge of products that can be exported to Saudi Arabia direct, instead of going to different countries and then re-exported again to Saudi Arabia. From Gujranwala, from Sialkot, from Lahore, from Karachi, there is a huge products that can be exported direct to Saudi Arabia. What exactly you need? What exactly do you want? What initiatives do you have? I am very happy to discuss it with you, to listen from you, to help the two countries' economy. From our side, I will visit inshallah Gujranwala. I will be in touch with the leaders here inshallah. And to be honest, I think we had a meeting with the Gujranwala Business Center. Last year, they asked me to come to Gujranwala Business Center. I promised them to come. And today I'm here. Not wallahi to take a picture. Not wallahi to take a picture and show the leaders that I'm coming here to Gujranwala doing things. No. We are here, to be honest, to do things. To do things done. We want great things for both countries. I think Pakistan, you mentioned, Excellency, $4.4 billion the bilateral between the two countries. I think this number is very small. It's not reflect our relation between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Pakistanis, they can do, to be honest, they can do more. And Saudi Arabia market, it's very big market. Pakistani products, it can be very easily promoted in Saudi Arabia. So inshallah, I think with the help of you, inshallah, we will see exhibition there in Saudi Arabia. We will see Gujranwala companies. They are promoting their products there in Saudi Arabia. And we hope the businessman will come here to Gujranwala to discover this beautiful city. Thank you so much, Excellency, for your extensive visit. And I hope, inshallah, you will see me soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Excellency, for visiting here. I personally thought our Saudi Arabia is our elder brother, our religious, our bodies is here, but all the Muslims, we have to believe our soul is Makkah and Medina. So our heart is hurting for that places. So inshallah, in future, this bilateral number inshallah will be increased. We make here a research and development center recently. So we are working on the Saudi Arabia market. We have a lot of clusters here, which you mentioned, 37 clusters. Only one city in Pakistan which have this kind of clusters. So we have a lot of things for the Saudi market. Inshallah, we promote them. Our business community make the exhibitions. If any exhibition held in Saudi Arabia, inshallah, our industrialists, our businessmen, inshallah, visit there. Once again, thank you very much. So now I would like to our senior vice president for the note of thanks. Please.
شکریہ. ویلکم نائف الحرابی کمرشل اتاچی پاکستان. میں اردو میں بات کروں گا. نبیل رانا صاحب انشاءاللہ آپ کو ویلکم اور آپ ان کو ترجمہ بھی کر دیں گے. ساری باتیں تو ماشاءاللہ ہمارے پریزیڈنٹ صاحب نے بزنس کلاس میں ساری بات ڈاکومنٹری رپورٹ بھی دکھا دیا, خود بھی بتا دیا. تو میں ویلکم کرتا ہوں. اس کے بعد یہی کہوں گا کہ سارے اسلامی ممالک ہمارے کزن ہیں, لیکن سعودی عرب ہمارا بھائی ہے. سعودی عرب سے جو جی میں بزنس ٹاک شاٹ کے بات کروں گا. ابھی 1-2 دن پہلے آپ نے دیکھا ہے کہ بھائیوں والا سلوک دونوں ممالک نے کیا اور اللہ کے فضل سے دفاعی معاہدہ جو بہت بڑا دفاعی معاہدہ ہے وہ پاکستان اور سعودی عرب کے درمیان پر قائم ہوا. ویسے بھی اور سعودی عرب کے لیے ہم ہر وقت پاکستانی بچے سے لے کر بزرگ بڑا چھوٹا ہر وقت جہاد کرنے کے لیے تیار ہیں. ہم اپنی جان اپنی شان اپنی مال ہر وقت سعودی عرب کے لیے حاضر ہیں یہ بتا. میں اس کے ساتھ یہی کہوں گا کہ علیم وہیں واٹس ایپ بھی بات کریں گے دوسرے دوست بھی کریں گے. میں نے جو میرے جذبات تھے میں نے وہ ظاہر کر دیا. تو میں ایک بار پھر کہوں گا نبیل رانا صاحب آپ کا بھی اور ان کا ہمارے جتاشین کا بھی بہت بہت شکریہ. جی سی شکریہ.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. I welcome Mr. Naif Al-Harabi and Mr. Nabil Ishaq Rana on behalf of Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce. We welcome you on behalf of Chamber and business community, and it's always an honor to welcome any of our brothers nation, a very big brother nation like Mr. Rana Sadiq already told you, like we have a spiritual affiliation with Saudi Arabia, with Medina and Makkah. So everyone is like willing to go over here and see these holy places. Other than that, the business, we agree with you, like our volume is very low. With regard to Pakistan, it's only 5 billion. And if you see the potential in Punjab only, like we can raise it to up to like 10 billion. But we can raise it with the help of few people. Like you are offering us, like you will invite us for the exhibition. So there is almost 36 clusters which we are working in scientific, ceramics, garments, like you name it, like rice, there's home appliances, there's almost 36 clusters. And we people just need a window of opportunity to present ourselves, to send the actual what is Gujranwala is capable of and what is Pakistan is capable of. And we welcome you again, and we will wait for your response for positive one. Like invite our businessmen, give them the opportunity, they will definitely come. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. For the short time, the house open. Anyone, if have any question, he can ask. Yes.
I think there should be a proper way or procedure that may include the chamber to educate the businessmen so that they will not have any problem to visit.
So I think there is something to
Inshallah.
And secondly, I want to know if there is any personality or representative here whom we can meet in person to discuss for the company formation.
I think our office is you can connect with Derek. So this one will connect you with
So once again, thank you very much, His Excellency. It's honor for us. I have no words for the thanks, but with the deep heart, we thank. Inshallah, we will keep in touch. Inshallah, we will increase the relation between Gujranwala industry and the Gujranwala and Saudi Arabia. Inshallah, it will be we can gain the more results. Inshallah, next year. Once again, thank you very much, our executive body, our business community. You want a question? Oh.
Well, sir, welcome to Gujranwala, Mr. Naif Al-Harbi. Immediately welcome to you. Sir, we have been exporting pink swords in Saudi Arabia already since 2016. And sir, I've been visited there as well, more than 8 times. But we need sir, some facilitation that should be arranged there because some difficulties during export and especially edible items as well. We try to conduct some offices there, but there is hurdles, and we couldn't find some certification as well, SOPs as well. So there are hurdles in our export, especially edible items. So between Pakistan and with cooperation of Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, there should be a facilitation that's there, sir. We need all this. Thank you very much.
Regarding this one, I think we do our homework. If we collect all the challenges for exporters, importers from Saudi Arabia, and then all the challenges raised to the Excellency, and then he will share it with us.
Yeah, it's better.
Through this one, we will.
So it's better. It's better. Yeah. If anyone have some hurdles, he can contact with the chambers. So we will send the mail or we will arrange the meetings. Inshallah, we will cut off these problems. Thank you very much. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.